How to hide a friend in Line. In this video, I'll be showing you how to hide a friend in the Line app, a great way to keep your friend list tidy without deleting or blocking anyone. For this, open the Line app on your phone. Here, go to the Home tab right here, tap on it. Now you can see your friend list right here, tap on it. Now find the friend you want to hide. Okay, once you find the friend you want to hide, long press on their name until a menu pops up like this. You can see various menu right here. Just select hide, tap on it, hide, and tap on this hide again, and your friend will be hidden from there. Repeat the same process for the next as well, like this. Long press on it and tap on hide again. Repeat the same process for every account you want to hide. And that's it, your friend will be removed from your main friend list but won't know you hide them. And if you want to see or unhide your friend list later, you can just go to your settings and unhide them. That's it. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more easy tips. Thank you for watching.